Hello viewers, welcome back to Unique Kitchen. Today I will making a different unique juice by spending only 3 minutes. When you feel hot, you can also make this juice at your home. So dear viewers, please stay with me by the end of this video. Now I will make. Take a blender. Open the cap and add a fresh lemon juice. 200 ml cold water, 100 ml cold milk and 5 teaspoon sugar. Then blend these 4 ingredients together for just 1 minute. Finished blending. Now take a glass for serve. Add a 6 pieces ice and pour the mixture into this glass. Dear viewers, now ready our tasty unique juice. Can you see? Very nice and tasty also. Dear friends, subscribe to the channel and press the bell icon for get more videos. Bye bye.